So over here, you can see that I am accessing a remote computer, and this remote computer has a certain level of performance. If you want to speed up your performance, or if you want high quality video right here, then you can actually go ahead and change out the performance and optimize it as you wish. So to do that, if I were to go around over here onto view, you can actually see that I have an option whether to go ahead and show or hide wallpaper. So if I were to go ahead and then uncheck the hide wallpaper, then you see the wallpaper of the other computer as well. And this does actually increase the quality of the video right here because you're seeing more detail, but the wallpaper does take up a bit of a bandwidth right here. But you can actually go around and hide the wallpaper, which actually increases out the performance during remote computer. Apart from that, you can see that the optimal resolution, that is SD resolution, is being streamed out right now. But if you want a faster streaming, you can actually lower out the resolution right here, just like this as well. And then the remote computer, as you can see right here, resizes out and you immediately have access to a lower resolution right here, just like this. If I were to go around over here, you can see that I can go ahead and choose other resolution right here as I want as well. And the resolution changes out accordingly right here, just like this of the remote computer, and you'll be able to see it accordingly. So that is how you can go ahead and then optimize our performance in TeamViewer while you're accessing it. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.